Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. For example, while you access to your Apple ID and you face this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So basically this kind of error occurs when you try to change your password. So here what you have to do, you have to simply try to change your password and you have to sign into your Apple ID, and you have to try for the verification on your mobile number, which means you have to do verification on your mobile number which you have used while creating your Apple ID. So you have to simply verify your Apple ID on your mobile number, which will send you a verification code by the Apple ID, and you have to simply verify your Apple ID. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to browser, or you have to simply open your Apple ID on your PC. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply reset your password on PC or any kind of browser, which may be Chrome or Safari. And after that, you can simply go for the settings, and you have to simply click on the Apple ID, and after that you have to check whether your verification has been done or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply go to the Apple discussion, and you have to ask the solution for the problem, and you have to check whether you are facing this kind of error, or any kind a new user of Apple device is facing the same problem. And after that you will get the solution from the Apple discussion. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.